Hey everybody, here we are at Easy Run Engine Test Stands. What we wanted to show you is what Save-A-Bug here in Riverside, California uses to test run their engines. What Easy Run did was we took our custom series stand with very slight modifications, converted into an excellent VW Porsche run stand, and it can easily be converted back to run any of your standard American domestic engines. Take a look, here we are. Let's see if she'll fire up and run for us. Well, she's idling a little bit slow. We're going to take it back down to Save-A-Bug. They can do all their final adjustments and put it in the vehicle.